One of the easiest ways to create consistency in your drawings using CAD Standards Manager is with layers. CAD Standards Manager can be used to create new, consistent layers or to update existing drawings so that their layers become standard. In this demonstration, I'll show you some of the layer functionality included within Standards Manager. First, I'll show you Layer ID. On the Standards Manager ribbon panel, or from the drop-down or toolbar, choose the Layer ID button. You'll be prompted to select an entity to have its layer identified. You see in the command line that my selected layer was C-Topo Major, and the description is Civil Topography Major Lines and Contours. This information is displayed because this is a standard layer created using Standards Manager. For non-standard layers, such as Layer 0, the Layer ID tool will tell you in the command line that the layer is not standard. Next, let's look at creating new layers as well as updating existing layers. Click on the Layer Create button, and from the resulting pop-up, you can either create new layers or update existing layers. To update existing layers, bring them in from the current drawing, and then you'll be able to change attributes about each layer. By selecting a layer, you can change the color, line type, or line weight. You also have the ability to screen layers if you'd like to use them for background imagery. I'll select all my layers and click Screen. You'll notice that their color is set to a predefined value. Now if I click Create or Update, all of my layers will be updated. Now say I just came into this drawing. Someone else has screened back the layers, but I'd like them to revert back to their standard state, where I have different colors for different layers. It's easy to go back to the standard state using CAD Standards Manager. Just click on Reset Colors, Line Types, and Line Weights. Choose the appropriate drawing or drawings, and say OK. Now I can choose whether I'd like these layers displayed according to the Civil discipline or the Survey discipline. Now you can see that all my layer definitions have reverted to their standard state. Now let's see how easy it is to create standard layers on our own. I'll click Layer Create and create some layers to add an architectural element to this drawing. I'll choose my architectural discipline and choose one of the two creation methods, by category or group. Group is an easy way to add a number of layers that all apply to a specific topic quickly and easily. I'll choose walls. You'll see that all the architectural layers having to do with walls show up. I can either click Select All, or I can use the Control and Shift keys to select which layers I'd like to create. I'll just say OK when I'm done, and they'll be added to my list. The by layer category creation method is useful for creating one or more specific layers. I'll click by layer category, and I can choose a discipline, major, as well as my minors and status. I'll leave them all null for now and say Add to List, and then OK. And you see that a door is added to my list in the Layer Creation and Management dialog. Before creating these layers, I can make any adjustments to color, line type, and line weight. And when I'm done, I'll just click Create/Update. Now if I look at my layer list, I've got all the A-wall related layers, as well as my A-door layer.